In order to use custom prompts with Curator, you have to set up your OpenAI connection. For that, you go to OpenAI screen. From here, you click on this link on the page. It will take you over to the OpenAI platform. And if you don't have an account, you need to sign up for an account and create a new API key. So I'm going to call it Curator for my default project and now create a new secret key. Next, you can copy this key and then go over to Curator and paste it over here and click on Set. In order to use your OpenAI key, you will have to go to the settings, go to billing, and add some money to your balance, $5 for a minimum. It's a pay-as-you-go system, and from that point on, you can then use OpenAI on with your Curator app. Now let's take a look and see how that works. After adding money to your account, now you're ready to set up prompts and use them with Curator. So I'm going to go back to my Curator OpenAI interface, and from here I can add a prompt. I call it summary. Then I add my prompt here, give a brief intro telling me what this post is about, then provide a summary, and I will then add it. So now when I go to a page and I click on the Curator icon, you can see that I have the OpenAI icon and the list of the prompts. I can click on my prompt, then click on the OpenAI icon, and it's going to then use the prompt on the content of the page and save the results into the description for me. You can see over here, it has, this post is about the services provided by a software company called Optimal Access, and it has the highlights here. I can now add my content tags to the post and then save it to my collections over here. And now it's saved. So this is how easy it is for you to set up OpenAI, create custom prompts, and use them to save information off of the pages that you are curating and adding to your curator.